Oh, hello there, I'm Riley's gran. You know, the one who's always nattering on about the good old days of food preservation. Ahem, not that I'm that old, mind you.
Oh, why can't I get this right? It's just rice.
Poor Riley. She's got a heart of gold, but when it comes to storing food, well, let's just say she could use a bit of help.
Oh no, not again.
Preserving food is about more than just keeping it fresh, you know. It's about preserving history, culture, and survival skills.
There's got to be a better way to do this. I need to learn more about food preservation.
And that's when Riley stumbled upon my old rice cooker in the attic. Little did she know it was about to take her on quite the adventure.
What's this old thing? Whoa.
Go on, Riley. Sometimes the best way to learn is to take a leap into the unknown.
Here goes nothing.
Well, would you believe it? My little Riley, whooshing through time like a grain in a rice cooker.
Whoa. I don't think we're in Kansas anymore, Toto.
Welcome, strange one. Here to learn the secrets of eternal food?
Eternal food? Yes, please. Whoa, did I just do that?
Looks like our girls picked up a new trick. But hold on to your chef's hat, love. Next stop, medieval Japan.
So this is how you guys built the pyramids, right? With magic rice. Oh, koji? You mean this stuff is supposed to be moldy?
This mold is the secret to preservation and taste.
Take that, you rice pilferers.
Who knew food preservation could be so action-packed? Ah, now we're off to colonial America, land of opportunity and pemmican?
A pemmican? Sounds like a Pokemon.
Here, child, mix these with your rice. It'll keep for months.
This is amazing. It's like a prehistoric protein bar.
Now you're cooking, Riley. But remember, the real test is yet to come.
Vacuum sealing, beeswax, fermentation. My head's spinning faster than this time vortex.
Speaking of which, looks like your magical rice cooker is calling you home, dear.
Already? But there's so much more to learn.
Sometimes, love, the real lesson is in how we use what we've learned.
You're right, Gran. Time to take this knowledge back to the future.
Well, well, well. Look who's back from her time-traveling escapade. Our little grain has popped right back into the present.
Wowza, what a rush. I feel like I've been pressure cooked through history.
Ancient preservation techniques? How quaint. But hardly practical in today's world of freeze-dried astronaut food.
Just you wait and see. This rice cooker will prove everything.
Oh dear, that doesn't look good. Seems like that cooker's about to blow its lid and take the whole kitchen with it.
No, 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 what's happening? This isn't how it went down in ancient Egypt. My cooker, all that knowledge gone, scattered like rice.
Poor Riley. It seems like all her hard work has gone up in smoke, or should I say puffed up like rice cereal.
What am I going to do now? I've let everyone down. I'm just a grain of sand in the rice paddy of life.
Now, dear, don't give up just yet. Sometimes the answer is right in front of your nose. Or under your bum, in this case.
Wait a minute.
Atta girl, you've got it now. Use your noodle. Your rice grain.
It's not about the tools, it's about the knowledge. And that's all up here.
Well, I'll be a grain of brown rice in a white rice world. Looks like our Riley's finally cooked up some confidence. Time to show these judges she's not just small fry. She's the whole rice and caboodle. Woohoo! Hold on to your spatulas, folks. Our Riley's about to cook up a storm.
Time to bring it all together. Egypt, Japan, America. Behold, a journey through time on a plate.
Great grains, this is incredible. The winner is Riley.
We did it, Gran. We saved the town.
That's my girl, preserving more than just food. She's preserved hope for the whole community.